Hi guys, how is your Wednesday today? I'm gonna explain you now how to do these ones. It's exactly the same thing, but we don't have just a graph, we have to imagine it. This is for 20, and what we have to do is subtract, right? For just full rounds until we get just the simplest angle we can, right? So if we subtract 360 from 420, 40 to reach 400, and then 20 more, that's 60, right? So this is a 60 degree. So that means that cotangent of 420 is the same as cotangent of 60, okay? And then we know that because of this basic identity that the definition of tangent actually is sine over cosine, right? Because we know that, then we have this is sine of 60 over cosine of 60, right? Now we take the unit circle, 60 for 60, the sine is, the sine is the square root of 3 over 2, and the cosine is 1/2, so it's square root of 3 over 2 over 1/2. Again, as I explained in the previous video, this cancels out, and we have square root of 3. Okay, that's it. So for this one, as this is a negative, the same with this one, because they are negative, instead of subtracting, what we have to do is add 360 to get the simplest angle, okay? So we're gonna do negative 150 plus 360, right? And when we when we add 360 to 150, this is the same thing as doing 360 minus 150. That's the same thing. So 0 to 0, 0. 5 to 6, it's 1. And then 1 to 3, it's 2. It's 210. So that means that negative 150 would be this one, which makes sense. The same as 220, positive, okay? That's it. So it's secant, and secant, it's because of the definition. Remember, we have to look at those definitions here, right? Secant is 1 over cosine of x. So we have, let's do it step by step. Secant of negative 150 is the same as secant of 210, and then this is 1 over cosine of 210, and then cosine of 210, if we take the unit circle, cosine of 210 cosine would be this one, so it's negative square root of 3 over 2, so negative square root of 3 over 2, 1 over negative square root of 3 over 2, and then we have to do the FWACA, the reciprocal, so that's negative 2 over square root of 3. And that's it, okay? Great. And then for the next one, well, they're asking cosecant of this angle, right? As we don't know that angle, but we know that cosecant of theta equals 1 over sine of theta, right? Because of the identities. And then when I know this, I have to try to get the sine so I can do the reciprocal afterwards. The sine would be, let's do sine of theta would be opposite over hypotenuse, so 16 over 20. So that's what I have to put here. So cosecant of theta, it's 1 over 16 over 20. And again, we have to do the reciprocal, so we have to do the FUACA. So 20 over 16, which can be simplified, right? We can divide this over 4 to get 5, and this 4 to get 4. That's it. So cosecant of theta, it will be 5 over 4. Okay? And that's it. Have a great day.